Hello guys and welcome to another trains video. Today we're going to be videoing at Heyworth level crossing. This will be for your 1950 LNER service from London King's Cross to Leeds. The 1953 LNER service from London King's Cross to Harrogate. To Skipton, sorry, not Harrogate. Oh no, I said Harrogate. Skipton. Oh. Okay, so sorry about that. This will be the 1950 LNER London Leeds, 1953 LNER London Skipton, and the 1955 LNER London Edinburgh. So we're going to be down for 3, if the predictions are right. Let's put my book on the side. It's freezing tonight. You've got to go close up because you'll get that keep crossing clear sign in all the time if you go. And the barriers have been down a minute. I know they're quick here. We're going to be down a while. Train 1.